Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ear tips on AirPods Pro 3. In the AirPods 3 Pro case, you will see the box with ear tips. Here you have ear tips from XXS size, from the smallest one to the biggest one, to the L size. For example, I want to change it to L size. So firstly, just remove the L size ear tips from the ear tips case and take your earbud in your hands. Then we should pull out this ear tips element in this way. Yeah. Then hold it and pull. In this way, you will safely remove ear tip. And afterwards, we want to install this L size ear tip, right? So as you can see, it has this oval shape, and our earbud had the same same shape of this part. So just insert it in this way and press. You will hear the click sound. It means that ear tip installed successfully. If this video helped, please confirm it by leaving a like and a comment below. See you.